This is a quick video tutorial on how students can read Bookshare books using Read and Write for Google Chrome. When students go to the website bookshare.org and log into their account, they go to their My Bookshare page where they can see all of the books that have been downloaded for them. To read the book, the students would locate it and click on the Read Now icon. This will open the book within the Bookshare Web Reader. Traditionally, students will use the built-in text-to-speech reader, and students can go into the settings and adjust the font size, text and background color, the display format, the speech rate, and the voice. Sometimes students don't really like the voice that is part of the Bookshare web reader. One workaround is to use the Read and Write for Google Chrome toolbar to have the books read aloud. This can be used if the students have either the free account or the premium account. When the student has the book open within their Bookshare web reader, they go to the chapter that they want to have read aloud. I'm going to X out my table of contents. And then they go into their extension toolbar and click on the Read and Write for Google Chrome puzzle piece. Once the toolbar is open, the student needs to highlight some text and press the play button.
Trudy took off running like a young gazelle. Jack took off running like a slightly older gazelle who was beginning to suffer an occasional twinge of arthritis, but who could nevertheless put on a burst of speed when approached by a fierce lion.
As you can see, the dual highlighting occurs, and students can go into their settings to adjust the voice and the rate of speech. And it's as simple as that. I hope that you found this video tutorial helpful.